Actually, the main cause of those yellow edges and tips is simply overwatering. Alocasia naturally absorbs a lot of moisture, but it has a unique trait. When the soil stays too damp, its leaves begin releasing excess water. If this happens too much, yellowing quickly follows. Overwatering can also lead to root rot, and once the roots are damaged, you'll often see these issues spread across many leaves. I've shared videos before on this white rhino and the dragon scale varieties. Back then, both had root rot. When this happens, you'll notice widespread yellow edges, or tips, and the leaves will curl inward, giving the whole plant a slightly folded look. Soon, they start fading away one by one, until only a few remain. When it reaches that stage, it's a clear sign the roots are in trouble. The light it gets is far from ideal, just a little over 2,000 lux, yet it still grows surprisingly well. On camera, the leaves might not seem perfect, but these yellow tips are usually nothing to worry about. Everyone waters a little too much now and then. These marks are simply old scars, from the time when the roots weren't healthy. The older leaves stopped growing long ago, and after with cooler temperatures, new growth only started appearing later. For plants like monsters, dry brown edges can be caused partly by water release, and partly by overly dry air. These usually show up on the oldest leaves. My green swan, however, is doing beautifully, even at just 16 or 17 degrees. It hasn't gone dormant, hasn't dropped any leaves, and continues to push out fresh growth. Many plant lovers ask how to help alocasia through winter. It's simple if your indoor temperature stays above 20 degrees Celsius. Just care for it as usual. No special changes are needed. But if it's below 20 degrees Celsius, and especially under 15 degrees Celsius, stop watering completely. For example, this one hasn't been watered in a long time. I'm not even sure why the soil has turned this pale color, but withholding water is all it needs. Over time, the leaves will slowly dry, like this one here, and eventually the stems will dry too, leaving only the corm in the soil. When spring warmth returns, you can simply water the corm and let it grow again, or dig it up and replant it fresh.